हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। तो मैं आज आप लोगों को स्टेनोग्राफी का नया चैप्टर डिक्टेशन करने जा रहा हूं। अब से जो 15 सेकंड में स्टार्ट हो जाएगी। 10 सेकंड लेफ्ट, 5 सेकंड लेफ्ट, स्टार्ट। मिस्टर वाइस चेयरमैन सर, I have carefully listened to the honorable members who have taken part in the debate on the working of the ministries under my charge. Sir, the ministries of agriculture, irrigation and rural reconstruction cover a wide field, and the time that was allotted to it nearly has not done justice to the subject, and it has done least justice to me, because I will have a very short time to reply to points that the honorable members have raised, because 2 more bills have been listed for today before this house, and they have to be passed by the evening. However, I would like to give a brief picture of what we have been able to achieve the field of agriculture, and what we have done to ameliorate the conditions of the rural poor, and how we have tried to expand irrigation, which is a very essential input for agricultural production. When Mrs. Gandhi, our Prime Minister, took over last year in January, the picture of agricultural sector was bleak. I would like to go into the details of how farmers have suffered during the previous regime. Most of my friends from this side have tried to give some idea of how prices of agricultural commodities crashed, how market suffered for several days, and how agricultural commodities rotted on account of rain, and bags were not supplied. Sugarcane had to be burnt, which was standing in the field, how potatoes rotted in the mandis, how wheat was not lifted from the markets, and the unscrupulous traders in collision with the state agencies responsible for purchase fleeced the farmers. This was the situation when we took over. The biggest difficulty in our way was the immediate need to provide relief to drought-stricken areas. We had been passing through the severest drought of this century in 1979 and in 1990. The relief which was provided was not found adequate. We started sending central items again the states. The Prime Minister started visiting the interior area herself. Money was found in spite of a very tight financial position. Food grains were rushed to the affected areas. Under the Food for Work program alone, about 20 lakh tons of food grains were distributed during the last years, and even in the previous years. Sufficient quantities of food grains were released. In this way, the quantity of food grains released under the Food for Work program was to the level of 28 lakh tons. Stop. थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। ओके, धन्यवाद। यदि मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, धन्यवाद।